Verbs. In the previous lesson, we had learned that verbs are words that represent action, condition or state of being, and feelings or experiences. In this lesson, we will learn about the types of verbs. Verbs can be categorized into different types according to various parameters. For example, according to dynamism or movement, verbs can be classified into dynamic verbs and static verbs. Dynamic verbs can again be reclassified into external dynamic verbs and internal dynamic verbs. External dynamic verbs represent external movement such as walk, play, dance, etc. Internal dynamic verbs represent internal movement such as think, guess, grow, etc. Static verbs. What are static verbs? Static verbs are verbs which express condition or state of being or feelings and experiences. For example, love, hate, want, feel. These are all static verbs. Some verbs act both as dynamic verbs and static verbs. There are some verbs which act both as dynamic and static verbs. They are see, hear, touch, feel, taste, etc. For example, in this sentence, he is nice to everyone. Here, is a static verb because it indicates that he is always nice to everyone. That is, he is genuinely a nice person. In this sentence, he is being nice to everyone to get a promotion. Here, is a dynamic verb. It means that he is just pretending to be nice for the time being in order to get a promotion. So here the verb is becomes dynamic verb. Again, depending upon changes in the verb due to change in tense, voice, mood, aspect, etc., there are two types of verbs. Main verbs do not change due to change in tense, voice, mood, aspect, etc. Auxiliary or helping verbs change due to change in tense, voice, mood, aspect, etc. For example, there are two sentences. She is dancing today. She was dancing yesterday. The two sentences are in two different tenses. So you can see that dancing remains unchanged in both the sentences. So dancing is the main verb. However, is changes into was in the second sentence because of the past tense. Therefore, is the helping verb and was is also the helping or auxiliary verb. A type of auxiliary or helping verb is the modal auxiliary verb. Modals or modal auxiliary verbs are used to express necessity, capability or possibility. Can, could, may, might, should, would, must, ought are some of the modal auxiliary verbs. Can and could are used to express capability. May and might are used to express possibility. Should, would, must and ought are used to express necessity. Another type of verb is the phrasal verb, in which the same verb is combined with a different preposition or any other word to change the meaning of the sentence. For example, in the word get out of the room, in the sentence get out of the room, get is combined with the preposition out. In the second sentence, get down from the bus, get is combined with the preposition down. Get on with your life, get up from bed. So, the same word is used again and again but with different prepositions in order to change the